Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today is a different type of video than my usual types of videos that I usually make on this channel. And in this video, I want to share with you guys my new special project that I've been currently working on for a couple of weeks now, and now I'm ready to launch it today. So it is the next chapter on my YouTube channel here, and that is I am releasing a newsletter. So every Wednesdays, of course, there will be a free newsletter. If you want to subscribe, of course, the link is in the description below, so you guys can go and subscribe there. And this newsletter is going to be mostly an iOS focused, technology focused newsletter. Where not only I'll be sharing, of course, interesting links and everything of cool stories that I found on the web, of course, of technology related videos, but also interesting apps as well that I've came across, and maybe I can make a video about it, because either it's just not the type of video that I think might interest you as a video format, but it might interest you when it comes to looking at interesting new apps as well in a newsletter. So I'll be sharing some interesting apps right there and other cool stuff as well in the coming weeks. So the first newsletter is out right now. So if you subscribe, you can go and download the newsletter and receive it in your email, of course. And so yeah, just really a fun little project I'm currently working on right now. It's a little side project, and you never know, it might grow into something or it might not grow into something. If one or two readers subscribe, then that's just perfectly fine with me. It's just a fun little side project that I think you might like as well if you're into finding out new, interesting, unique apps for your iPhone or iPad. Then, because if you're like me, I scour the internet and go on Reddit and other stuff, other communities to find some cool, interesting apps that developers are making, and seeing how I can maybe use that maybe to better improve my life and productivity when it comes to using the iPhone and the Mac as well. So yeah, you could go subscribe. It's like I said, the newsletter is gonna be forever free. I'm gonna pay for. I'm not an extra membership or anything like that. It's forever free. That's something really important to me because I see other sites and other maybe channels as well that you have to subscribe and do a monthly subscription to get these newsletters every single week. But no, with mine, it's gonna be forever free. And yeah, you could go and subscribe right now. Like I said, the link is in the description below, so you guys could go, link it, and then I hope you guys enjoy this newsletter that I'm going to be releasing, of course, every week, every Wednesdays. It will be out on Wednesdays every single time, so you can always expect a new newsletter on Wednesday. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this quick little shortcut video of my next stage when it comes to YouTube and what I think you guys will like as well. So that's pretty much it, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.